Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, in previous video we have do the revision of chapter 4 operating system. Okay, now today we will do the revision of all the whole exercises. Plus point is there that those who have not completed their books or copies, those who have taken the late admission, that students should be complete your books and fair copies with the help of this video and the PDF. Okay, so let's start the revision of chapter 4 operating system. Before I explain the exercises, first we will go through a flashback, that is a summary of the chapter. An operating system is a special set of programs that handles all the functions of a computer and make it work properly. And second, desktop is the first screen that appears after starting the computer. And third is icons are small labeled pictures which are present on the desktops, and each icon represents a file or a program. The images or a pictures that appears in the background of the desktop is called desktop background. A screensaver is a picture, still or moving, that appears on the screen whenever the keyboard or mouse has not been used for some times. So this is the summary of the chapter. Now we will start the exercises. Here in exercise A, that is what? Tick the correct answer. In this we have to do 4 questions. First one is, which of the following is a type of a program or software? Which of the following is a type of a program or software? Option is application, desktop and taskbar. Okay, can you guess the correct answer? Yes, it is application. Application is a type of a program or software. Okay, then come to the next, second one. The small labeled pictures present on the desktop are called. The small labeled pictures present on the desktop are called A. Mouse, B. Background and C. Icon. Can you guess the correct answer? Yes, it is icons. Then come to the third. It manages the overall functions of a computer. It manages the overall functions of a computer. Option is desktop, icon, operating system. What is the correct answer? Yes, it is operating system. Operating system manages the overall functions of a computer. Then last and fourth, which of the following key is pressed to select adjacent icons? Which of the following keys is pressed to select adjacent icons? Option is Shift, Control, Caps Lock. These are the 3 options. Can you guess which of the key is pressed to select adjacent icons? Yes, it is Shift key. Option is A. Shift key is pressed to select adjacent icons. By this we have completed tick the correct answer. Now next is, that is fill in the blanks. In fill in the blank, the dash lets you search for the files stored in the computer. The dash lets you search for the files stored in the computer. Can you guess? Answer is search box. Spelling is SEARCH, search, and BOX, box, search box. Then second one, dash is the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Dash is the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Yes, it is taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of the desktop. So spelling of taskbar is TASK, task, and BAR, bar, task bar. Now third, and dash is a small labeled pictures on the desktop. And dash is a small labeled picture on the desktop. Yes, answer is an icon is a small labeled picture on the desktop. The spelling is ICON, icon. Okay. Last one is a dash is a picture still or moving that appears on the screen whenever the keyboard or mouse is not used for some times. I repeat again. A dash is a picture still or moving that appears on the screen whenever the keyboard or mouse is not used for some times. Can you guess? Yes, it is screen saver. It is screen saver. Spelling is SCREEN. Screen SAVER. Saver. Okay. Now come to the next, that is true or false. True or false. In true or false, Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Is it true or false? Here, Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Okay, can you guess it is true or false? Yes, it is true. Microsoft Windows is an operating system. So it is true. The spelling of true is TRUE. Okay, second, the start menu is divided into three parts. The start menu is divided into three parts. Is it true or false? Yes. In how many parts the start menu is divided? Can you guess in how many parts start menu is divided? So start menu is divided into two parts. So it is false. Third, the position of the taskbar cannot be changed. The position of the taskbar cannot be changed. Is it? The position of the taskbar cannot be changed. क्या हम taskbar का position नहीं change कर सकते हैं? It is false. Why it is false? Because we can change the position of the taskbar. Okay, we can change the position of the taskbar. Fourth, enter key is used to select multiple icons. Enter key is used to select multiple icons. Is it? No. So it is false. Why? Because enter key is used to go for the next line. Enter key is used to go for the next line. So it is false. Now by this we have completed the book exercise A, B and C. Now come to the question number D, that is answer the following. Okay. In answer the following we have a question. What do you understand by an operating system? What do you understand by an operating system? Give some examples of the versions of Windows OS. Means, can you tell me what is an operating system? Yes, an operating system is a special set of programs. An operating system is a special set of programs that handles all the functions of a computer. Here it is the answer. An operating system is a special set of programs that handles all the functions of a computer. For example, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, etc. Okay. So, what is an operating system? An operating system is a special set of programs. An operating system is a special set of programs that handles all the functions of a computer. Second is differentiate between desktop background and screen saver. Means we have to differentiate between the desktop background and the screensaver. What is the difference between the screensaver and a background? See here. First you will take desktop. First you will take desktop. Desktop is the first screen that appears after starting the computer. Means when we start the computer, the first screen is appeared on the computer is the desktop. Okay, desktop is the first screen that appears after starting the computer, and while screensaver is a picture still or moving that appears on the screen. Okay, screensaver is a picture still or moving that appears on the screens. So screensaver is a picture and it appears on the screen. Okay. Third is define taskbar. Third is define taskbar. Name all the sections of taskbar. In this question we have to define the taskbar and also we have to write the name of all the sections. Okay, name of all the sections. So taskbar, the taskbar is a long horizontal bar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Present at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, the taskbar is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop screen. Start button, search box, notification area, show desktop button are all the sections of taskbar. These are all the sections of taskbar. Now next question, come to question number 4. What is the difference between start button and show desktop button? What is the difference between start button and show desktop button? So in this also we have to differentiate the start button and the show desktop button. First, start button. Start button is present at the extreme left side of the taskbar. Start button, where it is present? Start button is present at the extreme left side of the taskbar. And show desktop button is present at the rightmost corner of the screen. Got it? Start button is present at the extreme left side of the taskbar, and show desktop button is present at the rightmost corner of the screen. It is present at the rightmost corner of the screen. So this is all these are the question answers. Those who have not completed your fair copy, please write it all the question and answers. Okay. Then come here next, that is our activity zone. In this we have some read the clues and identify the different parts of the desktops. Means first read the clues and then identify the different parts of the desktop. Write their names in the given space. Write the name in the given space. Here it is a long horizontal bar. It is a long horizontal bar that lies at the bottom of the desktop. It is a long bar that lies at the bottom of the desktop screen. Okay. So here, can you guess? Yes, it is taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar that lies at the bottom of the desktop screen. These are small labeled pictures. These are small labeled pictures. Can you guess? Yes, it is icon. Icons are small labeled pictures. So, it takes you directly to the desktop screen. It takes you directly to the desktop screen. So, who takes you directly to the desktop screen? It is desktop. Desktop takes you directly to the desktop screen. Clicking on this button opens a list of options. Clicking on this, on which button? It is start button. Clicking on the start button opens a list of options. It shows the current data and time, volume and some other small icons. Okay, it shows the current data and time, volume and some other small icons. Can you guess? Yes, it is notification area. It is what? It is notification area. Got it? So by this we have completed all the exercises. I repeat again here, it is a long bar that lies at the bottom of the desktop screen. Answer is taskbar, spelling T-A-S-K, task, B-A-R, bar, task bar. Second, these are small labeled pictures. It is icons, I-C-O-N-S, icons. Then it takes you directly to the desktop screen. The answer is desktop. Spelling is D-E-S-K-T-O-P, desktop. Then 4. Clicking on this button opens a list of options. Clicking on this button opens a list of options, that is start button. Start button, spelling is S-T-A-R-T, start, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. And last one is, it shows the current data and time, volume and some other small icons, that is notification area. That is notification area. The spelling is N-O-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. I repeat again, N-O-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N, notification area, A-R-E-A, area. Okay, so by this we have completed the revision of chapter 4, all the exercises. So please go through on it, learn by heart whole chapter. Okay, and be prepared for the exam. And also those who have not completed their fair copy, please complete your fair copy. We will, in next video, I will start chapter 9. Okay, in next video I will start chapter 9 because we have not completed chapter 9. So please complete your fair copy. Then in next video we will study chapter 9. Okay, bye, see you. Take care of yourself and don't waste your time in playing games. Be concentrated on your study also.